Account owners and location admins can choose to enable or disable which tabs appear in the top menu bar of the employee app. To start, expand the navigation panel by clicking on the three lines at the top of the left column. Mouse over Settings and choose App Configuration. Click Navigation in the left panel. Here you will see a list of tabs to display in the menu bar. To reorder a tab, you can use the drag and drop option or just simply renumber. By clicking on the ellipsis to the right, you can choose to disable the tab, move it to the top or the bottom of the list, and in the Edit section, you can target which users will have access to the tab. Only a few tabs will be visible in the menu bar. However, all of the other tabs will appear in the More tab and can be accessed there. Once you have made your selections, click Save.